Eclipses have fascinated and mystified humans for thousands of years. They were once seen as omens from the gods, but today we understand them as incredible astronomical events governed by science. Welcome to my channel, everyone. In this video, we'll explore 5 fascinating facts about eclipses that you probably didn't know. From their mind-bending precision to their surprising effects on Earth, we're diving into the science behind these celestial wonders. Let's get started. The reason we can see a total solar eclipse is thanks to an extraordinary cosmic coincidence. The Sun is about 400 times larger than the Moon, but it's also 400 times farther away from Earth. This perfect ratio makes the Moon appear the same size as the Sun in the sky, allowing it to completely cover the Sun during a total solar eclipse. If the Moon were closer or farther away, we wouldn't experience eclipses in quite the same way. In fact, as the Moon slowly moves away from Earth, at a rate of about 3.8 centimeters per year, total solar eclipses will eventually stop happening. Scientists estimate this will occur in about 600 million years. Did you know that eclipses come in pairs? A solar eclipse is almost always followed by a lunar eclipse or vice versa, within about 2 weeks. This happens because both events occur when the Earth, Moon and Sun align in a straight line, a condition called syzygy. For example, during a solar eclipse, the Moon passes between the Earth and the Sun. 2 weeks later, during the full moon, the Earth casts its shadow on the Moon, creating a lunar eclipse. So if you see one type of eclipse, an opposite one is likely just around the corner. Eclipses don't just affect humans, they also confuse animals. During a solar eclipse, when the Sun is briefly blocked, many animals behave as if it's nighttime. Birds stop singing, bees return to their hives, and nocturnal animals like bats and owls become active. In one study, researchers found that crickets and frogs started chirping during the brief darkness of a total solar eclipse. Even marine life is affected. Coral reefs, which depend on sunlight, have been observed spawning during eclipses, thinking night has fallen. These behavioral changes show how finely tuned animals are to light and dark cycles. Long before modern science, ancient civilizations were able to predict eclipses with remarkable accuracy. The Babylonians over 2,500 years ago used a mathematical method called the Saros cycle to forecast eclipses. This cycle is about 18 years, 11 days and 8 hours long, after which similar eclipses repeat. The Maya also created precise eclipse tables, which were used to predict both solar and lunar eclipses. These tables have been found in the ancient Dresden Codex, one of the oldest surviving Mayan texts. While many ancient cultures feared eclipses as bad omens, their ability to predict such events shows how advanced their astronomical knowledge was. Eclipses don't just darken the sky, they also affect Earth's environment. During a total solar eclipse, the temperature can drop by as much as 10 degrees Celsius in some areas. This rapid cooling can cause changes in wind speed and direction, creating what scientists call eclipse winds. Another fascinating phenomenon is shadow bands, which are faint, wavy lines that ripple across the ground just before and after totality. They're caused by the Sun's light bending through Earth's turbulent atmosphere. Eclipses also provide opportunities for scientific study. For example, during the 1919 total solar eclipse, astronomers confirmed Einstein's theory of general relativity by observing how starlight bent around the Sun. Eclipses aren't exclusive to Earth. They happen on other planets too. For example, Mars has 2 small moons, Phobos and Deimos, which frequently pass in front of the Sun, creating partial eclipses. On Jupiter, its moons like Io and Europa cast massive shadows on the gas giant's surface. However, because Jupiter's moons are much smaller relative to the planet, no total eclipse occurs. While eclipses on other planets are different from what we experience on Earth, they provide valuable insights into celestial mechanics. Eclipses are some of the most awe-inspiring events in astronomy, blending science, history, and even a bit of mystery. From their cosmic precision to their effects on Earth and animals, they remind us of the intricate dance between the sun, moon, and Earth. If you've ever witnessed an eclipse, you know how magical it feels. And if you haven't, mark your calendar for the next one. It's an experience you won't forget. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating science content.